Hello students, I am Dr. Shrikant Bavse, Assistant Professor at Department of Advanced Management Studies, GS College of Commerce, Wardha. Today we are going to start with next subject, that is investment analysis and portfolio management. In the investment analysis and portfolio management, the first module is of valuation of bond. Here today we are going to study the introductory part of bond valuation and the key terminologies, important concepts used during the valuation of bond. Now, what is meant by the valuation of bond? Whenever we want to invest our hard-earned money in any bond or debenture, it is very much necessary to do the valuation of that bond to ascertain the price of that bond as well as the future cash flows and the present value of the bond. In order to ascertain all these things, we have to study the bond valuation. Now, the first important terminology which come in the valuation of bond is coupon rate. Now, the very simple thing that what is meant by coupon? Coupon is nothing but the interest which issuer of a bond is going to pay to the investor till the maturity of that particular bond. It may be 5%, 6%, 7%, 8% likewise. Suppose, imagine a bond issuer is issuing a bond of 10,000 rupees face value and on which the interest is 10% paid annually. It means that the issuer will pay 1,000 rupees to the bondholder every year, that is on the annual basis. So this is called as the coupon rate, which is nothing but the interest paid. Now remember that most of the issuer pay the coupon semi-annually rather than the annually. Now this coupon has to be paid by the issuer to the bondholder till the maturity of that particular bond. So it is very simple. The meaning of coupon rate is nothing but the interest which will be paid by the issuer to the bondholder. Next important concept is of maturity date. Each and every bond comes with the maturity date. That maturity date may be short term or long term. For example, the maturity of bond may be say 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 25 years, 30 years likewise. Now, when we are seeing the maturity date, at the time of maturity date, every bond issuer has to make the repayment of entire amount, that is principal amount of the bond holder. Suppose you have invested in a bond of 10,000 rupees. After 10 years, you will be entitled for getting entire 10,000 rupees back from the bond issuer along with the coupon. The next important concept is of current price. So there are three types of the prices of bond. The bond may be at par, the bond may be at discount, and the bond may be at premium. Suppose the face value of a bond is 1,000 rupees, and if it is trading at 900 rupees, it means that it is in discount. If it is trading at 1100 rupees, it means that it is at premium. Suppose it is trading at 1000 rupees only, which is the exact face value of a bond, it means that it is at par. So we have studied the three types of prices, that is at par, at discount, at premium. When the face value is equal to the price of a bond, it is said to be at par. When the bond is issued below the face value, it is at discount, and when the bond is issued above the face value, it is at the premium. So this is the concept of current price. Then the next concept of bond is of face value. The first price of a bond, the rate at which the issuer have issued the bonds to the investors, is called as the face value. For example, if the issuer is issuing the bond to the investors at 10,000 rupees each, it means the face value of a bond will be 10,000 rupees. The current market price of a bond may go up or may go down, but the face value will remain same. So this is the concept of the face value, that is the price at which the bond is issued. In addition to this, it is the same price at which the bond will be redeemed by the issuer. For example, if the bond is issued at 10,000 rupees, after 10 years it will be redeemed at 10,000 rupees only by the issuer. So here in the first video we have seen the important terminologies of bond valuation. Those are coupon rate, maturity date, current price, face value. In the next lecture we will also discuss the remaining key terminologies and important concepts of the bond valuation. Till then, stay tuned to the YouTube channel of GS College of Commerce, Wardha. Thank you.